Hi there, my name is Max. Can you guess what my favorite food is? Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a delicious snack, even with nothing on them. Nuts and seeds come in all different shapes and sizes, just like you and I. Some nuts and seeds come from trees, others from the ground, and seeds come from fruit or flowers. There are walnuts, almonds, pecans, cashews, hazelnuts, peanuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds, to name a few. You can also find them as butters, like almond butter and sunflower seed butter. These are made when you take nuts or seeds and blend them. Can you believe that nothing needs to be added to the nuts or seeds when turning them into a sticky spread? You only need one ingredient. Next time you go to the grocery store, check out the ingredient list and see if you can find butters with only one ingredient. I have a few favorite ways to eat nuts and seeds. At breakfast, I like to enjoy a spoon of almond butter on my toast. As a snack, I like to dip pieces of fruit in butters. I always have seeds around because they're so easy to sprinkle on top of any meal.
For more ideas, ask your parents to check out the recipes in the description.
Nuts and seeds are a source of plant protein, heart-healthy fat, and fiber. These help to make our meals more satisfying. If you want to know more about fiber, visit my friend Buckwheat in this video. If you want to know more about protein, visit Sammy. Nut allergies are common, so if you can't eat nuts, talk to your parents or doctor to see if you can eat seeds instead. Some of your friends may have allergies, so check with your school what's okay to bring. Thanks for watching!